Hi, everybody. Happy Tuesday to you. It's 3 News senior meteorologist Matt Wintz with Look at Your Forecast. Appreciate you joining us here on our YouTube channel for a look at the weather forecast. And things are looking up today. We've got a gusty wind out of the southwest that'll help get our temperatures up into the 50s this afternoon. Clouds will linger. We could see some sun peaks from time to time, but the good news is we're losing the snow chances. Overnight tonight, we will chill down back into the 30s, and then temps are going to hold in the 30s pretty much all day tomorrow. And the reason why is we have a frontal boundary that will work south across northern Ohio tonight into tomorrow morning. And behind that, we're back to what we just dealt with. More lake effect snow showers around here on Wednesday. It'll be a blustery day. Winds will gust over 30 at times. And temperatures will either hold steady in the 30s or they'll slowly fall through the 30s throughout the day. So just back to the cold for our first full day of spring around here. Wasn't that fitting, right? As we go on into Thursday, we have another cold day expected. In fact, temperatures Thursday morning could be in the low 20s, maybe even upper teens, and that's air temperatures. That will be our cold spot before we really start to moderate things. So why do we moderate? Well, after the system goes on by, we're tracking our next system in, and out ahead of that, we'll get a little pull of some warmer air. We need to keep an eye on our Friday system, as we've been telling you so far this week, because the track of the low really determines whether we get rain or snow out of this. There's going to be good accumulating snow in the northern end of this. But as of right now, I still think we're going to get a cold rain on Friday. It's real close. If it shifts south 20 miles, we'll have snow. But I really feel that we'll get a cold, just kind of raw rain around here on Friday. That system goes out, should save us a nice weekend. In terms of your Saturday, Sunday, it'll be on the cool side as we're on the backside of the storm system. But overall, we'll be dry, and I think we'll take that at this point. All indication is that next week there's some kind of big system out in the central and northern plains. That would bring a snowstorm to areas of the upper Midwest, but we would be on the warmer side of it, and that would bring some nice Gulf of Mexico air in here. So we could have a day or two in the 50s, maybe even 60 degrees or so to start next week before we turn cooler on the backside of that. Putting it all together with your numbers, your Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast, 45 today, much cooler on your Wednesday, Thursday, and then there's your raw rain on Friday with a 45. And then in terms of the weekend, some sunshine, but cooler, and then eventually we'll warm up out ahead of that next system. I've got us at 58 degrees next Monday, as spring looks to make at least a brief return. We've got more updates on the TV side of things coming your way at 4 o'clock. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you then.